Is lesson 20 for flute. We will be playing number 48. You should have already looked through it. You should be familiar with the notes and the rhythms. Okay, just a quick review. We have those two eighth notes. You should already know how to count eighth notes because we should be doing that during class. And if you did the previous lesson, you know about eighth notes. Okay, so again, your foot is tapping steady. That first measure goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, so make sure that foot stays steady. 48. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready. Alright, before I forget, our code word for lesson 20 is scale. Okay? Have you looked back on your scales yet? Have you looked through the scale videos that I've posted up? Your scales are on page 42 in the book. Okay? Go ahead and start learning those. Once you learn the notes in those scales, there will probably not be any new notes you learn for the rest of the year. It's all in those scales. So that way you can get ahead of everybody. Alright? We have, so our code word is scale. Okay? So make sure you take a look at your scales and try to start learning them. Okay? Did you notice when we played through 48 that I didn't breathe on all those breath marks? Sometimes I went through, sometimes I snuck in a breath somewhere else. When it comes to breathing, you can breathe wherever you want as long as it sounds natural and doesn't interrupt the music. Okay? Now, I'm going to do a little experiment with you. Okay? We're going to see how fast you can play this piece. Your goal is to eventually be able to play it faster than me. The title of this piece is Go Tell Bill, but it's based on the William Tell Overture. And if you've ever heard that, you know it's slightly faster. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you. If you haven't heard the William Tell Overture, please go listen to it. There are some fun parts in it, and you will enjoy that piece. The William Tell Overture, as I want to play in these 8 measures, goes at about this speed. At the beginning, that's how fast it goes. Okay, so that was lesson 20. Thank you for joining me.